I've had a number of people ask about the cost breakdown for the house renovation we did. So here's a quick video of everything that we spent. I've also put at the end all the treasures that we found and kept. This makes me feel a little bit better about all the skips we bought. Okay, so the seller hired the first two 10-ton skips as she felt bad for leaving the house in the state it was in. This covered the majority of the inside rubbish, and the other skips were added to the garden breakdown. We then bought a dehumidifier for £140 to reduce the moisture in the house after we extensively cleaned it. The windows are double glazed and they're in decent shape, but 5 windows were blown and needed replacing, so we got a company in to do that, which cost £727. Then I went round and resiliconed all the windows for £20. There was a small leak in the attic from the old flashing of the chimney, so we got a roofer in who charged us £480. We had an electrician fit a new consumer box, which we bought for £150, and he fitted it for £160. He also did an extensive check of all the electrics. Most of the walls were in decent shape, as they were protected by layers of wallpaper, but we did get a plasterer in to do the upstairs ceilings, 3 walls in the kitchen, and the fireplace. We prepped them, painting this grit on 24 hours before he came, and then he charged us £740. We hired a plumber to cap the gas fireplace and the cooker, change the stopcock, move a radiator, and fit an isolator valve under the kitchen sink, and then he charged us £310. We got a boiler service for £84, gas check for £70. We replaced kitchen and bathroom taps and shower rail, which was £107. We changed the gas hob to electric for £140. We got new hardware for the interior doors, that was £50. Tim boxed in the utility, the gas and the electric boxes, so that was a total of £60. We then tidied up the front. We had weed stop in the shed, and then we got a dumpy bag of pea gravel, which was £105, including delivery. We have a lot of painting gear like poles, handles, drop sheets, trays, so it's just mainly the paint. So all the primers were £155. We got a special mould paint for the exterior walls. So we got 2 5-litre cans of that, which was £92. We used 4 10-litre tubs of durable matte, so that was £180. Skirting board and trim paint, that was 5 litres in all, and that was £92. And then we got a couple of brushes and some small rollers, and that was a total of £12. So all in all, for all the painting material, that was £531. Then we had to get all the little extras like smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarm, silicone, caulking, fillers, door stops, window seals, spray foam, pendant lights, switches, sandpaper, coverall to do that back room, mould and mildew remover, sanding poles and rollers. We got the gutter cleaned, and that was a total of £242. Then one of the last big expenses was the carpets and the vinyl. We've used the company a couple of times with our own house, so we managed to get a good deal, and that was £2,000 on the dot. So the grand total for everything interior was £6,242. And if you add inside costs and outside in the garden costs together, it comes to £8,930. All right, now on to all the treasures that we found. So the day we got the keys, we put everything together she may have wanted, but she made it very clear she didn't want to come back for anything. So we either kept it or gave it to charity. First thing we discovered was this beautiful Japanese maple. It wasn't well looked after, but it seems to be doing well. And they're about £200 for this size. So we're definitely keeping this, and it's in our garden. There was a bag of bags, some new. I've kept a couple for travel, probably worth about £50, but the rest of them I've given to charity. Jasmine found a £10 note in one of the bags and a silver ring, which she got to keep. There were 3 sets of workhorses, of which one of them I found in the garden under all the plastic. So total of about £70 for those. Kept one and gave the rest to charity. She left a really good vacuum cleaner. After giving it a really good deep clean, we're keeping that, definitely. And they're about £300 new. There's a double sleeping bag there for £30. We're keeping that. Little hand truck, that's probably worth about £13. give that to charity. Hair curlers, probably about 20 quid new, give those to charity. We got our camping stove, that's about £20 new, we'll keep that. Double picnic table we used to keep all the work stuff on, they're about 30 quid. And definitely keeping that. Potting table, brand new, that's £25 new. Keeping that, I've set it up in our garden. Some gardening stuff as well, little bits and bats, so I'm keeping those as well. Folding chairs, brand new, they're about 10 each, so we're keeping those. We've got a safe, this was brand new, only about £25 new, but we're definitely going to keep it. Sander, £20, but we're going to give that to charity. And then we have a games console, which I don't know whether this is worth anything, but I know old games consoles are coming more popular again, so it might be worth something. If you guys know, please leave a comment. And so that total would be about 753. So not bad.